Alright, gonna do a benchmark on a Lenovo LOQ. These are the specs: Intel i5 12 Gen, 16 gigs of RAM, and we're also gonna monitor the temperature on the right hand side. Let's start it. Okay. So we are hitting 75 watts, 96 degrees Celsius. Just let me know what score you guys get on your laptops as well, if you have the similar processor. 69 watts. We're going hot. These are expected actually. You should. We're doing a benchmark, so yeah, they should go high. It probably gonna drop to 59 or 60. Alright. We're still on 66 watts, which is good. Alright, we're dropping now. Alright, there you go, like 59 watts. Intel processors are really power hungry, so okay, I'm getting 10592.